Kia ora anō, nau mai ki te kōnai tuatoru, amplifying whānau voice.
In our previous kōnai, we heard about whānau ora and how important it is for whānau to define their own moimoia. This is revolutionary because whānau input is not always prioritised, and it needs to be.
When we say whānau voice, we are talking about the values, opinions and views of whānau. Whānau voice is pivotal to the development of initiatives that support their moimoia.
In the akoranga that follow, we have a wide range of speakers. Kaimahi, who work directly with whānau, share their whakaaro. And leaders from other organisations share how including whānau voice has changed their entire approach.
In this kōnai, we'll also hear from whānau directly, which includes a journey into home ownership and a look at the creation of an IT platform designed for and with rangatahi.
Mauri ora e te whānau, anei te kōnai tuatoru.